Good afternoon, my name is Denise Vallejo and I'm going to be talking about lifespan from chapter 6. So my homework question was summarize the lifespan changes in the integumentary system. So what is lifespan? Lifespan is the full process of human development from conception to death. And here's a picture of an infant child through childhood, through adulthood, and through older adulthood. So changes in the lifespan, and here's some examples. Cell cycle slows, which the skin becomes scaly, age spots appear. Epidermis and dermis become thinner, loss of fat in subcutaneous layer, so which means the person feels cold, wrinkling, sagging of skin occur. Sebaceous glands secrete less oil, which the skin becomes dry. Melanin production slows, which the hair whitens, and then the hair thins. Number of hair follicles decreases. The nail growth becomes impaired, sensory receptors decline, body temperature regulation becomes less effective, and diminished ability to produce vitamin D. So, through lifespan changes during infant/childhood, so the infants start off small. Their appearance are very different compared to adults. Their skin is soft and delicate, and the skin color also changes while they're infants and through their childhood. So they couldn't start off as pinkish, and then later on they could either change from lighter or to darker. And then their hair is thick and healthy. Later on their teeth grow and other parts of their body become strong, including their muscles. And here's a picture of an infant child going through their childhood. Lifespan changes during adulthood. As the childhood goes into adulthood, there will be a lot of changes such as facial hair growing, their height and weight will change, and wrinkles will somewhat start to appear. And then their strength and energy starts to develop even more. So basically, the childhood through adulthood will go through puberty. So here's a picture of a child going through adulthood. Lifespan changes in older adulthood. As adulthood enters into older adulthood, everything will drastically change. It's the final stage of the lifespan. So their strength will become very weak, their skin texture will look scaly, the cell cycle slows down, and everything will become thin from their hair to nails. Hair color will become gray or white, and their body will basically shrivel up like a raisin so as the adulthood goes into older adulthood, they'll become very weak, and then there will be a lot of health and mental problems, and then there's death.